Hello students, in this video we are going to see one exercise question. So mainly when you look at the example you can understand the question and answer easily. So I will do some of the exercise question. You have to complete the example questions and the remaining exercise questions. Okay. So mainly in this problem in exercise 7.1 first question, it is a very simple question. The given data is the radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7. So let R be R and H be radius and height of R and H be the radius and height of a cylinder, and the given data is they are in the ratio of 5:7. R is to H is equal to 5:7. Then another data is given and its CSA is equal to 5500 square centimeter or centimeter square or unit, whatever we can take, you can take. Okay. Find R and H, then find the radius and height of a cylinder. So this is the question which is given in your textbook in exercise 7.1. So as like application of trigonometry, in this question also we have to draw the diagram. Then we have to know the clear meaning of the question. Then we have to draw the diagram. We have to list out the given data, and then only we will be able to identify the suitable formula. Okay. So here the given data are R is to H is equal to 5:7, CSA this. Using that these two data we have to find radius and height, R and H we have to find. Okay. So what is the formula to find the CSA of a cylinder? So this is a cylinder C, this is radius R, this is H, R is to H is equal to 5:7. We have to find the R and the CSA, the curved surface area, 5500 square unit. Okay. Okay, what is the formula to find the CSA of a cylinder? So CSA of a cylinder is 2 by R H is equal to 5500. Okay. CSA of a cylinder 2 by R H is equal to 5500. See here, R is to H 5:7. So this is in the form of ratio. I am writing in the form of fraction. R by H is equal to 5/7. Therefore R is equal to 5H by 7 multiplication. இதை கொண்டு போய் இங்கே you can find R you can find H is equal to 7R by 5 னு கூட கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். சரியா? So no problem, any one we can find and we can substitute. Okay, now we are going to substitute the value here. 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into R 5H by 7 into this H is equal to 550. Do you understand? 2 pi value 22 by 7. So mostly in this chapter we will use 22 by 7. R கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம் 5H by 7, H this H as it is equal to that. Now is there anything needs to simplify? Okay. 2 5s are 10, 10 into 22, 220. So 220 H by 7 7s are 49 is equal to 550. 220. So division becomes multiply becomes division. Now we can cancel 0 0 cancel. 122 is 22, or we can use 11 table first. 2 11s are 22, 5 11s are 55, and this 0. 1 2 is 2, 25 2s are 50. So H is equal to 25 into, sorry, H into H square will come. Sorry for the mistake. H into இதெல்லாம் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணோம்னா 220 49 H into H square. Okay. So H square is equal to, we have to write this as a perfect square. Already these two numbers are perfect square. 5 5s are 25, 7 7s are 49. So 5 into 7 whole square, 5 square 25, 7 square 49. Then H square is equal to 5 7s are 35 square. H is equal to 35 centimeter. Okay. Then R is equal to, therefore R is equal to 5 into H by 7. இது அப்படியே இங்கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணுறோம். Just we have substituted the value of H in this equation. 5 R is equal to 25. What we have to find? We have to find the radius and height. So therefore radius equal to 25 centimeter, height is equal to H 35 centimeter. So very simple question. So in mensuration, only thing we have to know the meaning of the question, and we have to be very thorough with the formulas. If you are thorough in the formula, definitely we can solve all the problems. Okay. So understand the concept and try by yourself. Okay. So most of the questions, they will give the answer, either they will ask us to find H or R something. So we have to apply the formula and we have to simplify. So in some of the question, in 2 mark only, they will give the radius and height. Radius and height கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா very simple. என்ன கேட்டிருக்காங்களா, CS என்ன, CSA formula, just we have to apply the value of the variables. If they are asking total surface area, we have to write the total surface area formula and we have to substitute the value of the variable. So if volume also like that we have to do. But in some case they will give some conditions, the relation between height and radius, or they will give CSA, or they will give TSA. So the same method, but we have to we should know the simplification of problem. Okay, very good, thank you.